Another thing about food, what we should learn is the meals of the day. What is meals of the day? How many times do you eat in a day, children? How many times? 4 times? 7 times? Or from the time you get up in the morning till the time you go to sleep. You keep on and on and on eating, non-stop. That is very, very dangerous. Why? Because yours is a small stomach. Only that much of food which fits into the stomach, only that food you should eat. You should not eat less, nor should you eat more. So first thing is, when you get up in the morning, mommy tells you, get up, get ready to school, go to school, go to school, get ready. Then you get up, go brush your teeth, then have your bath, put on your uniform. Do you put on your uniform or a one colored clothes, chudidar or gagra or a frock? No, you're coming to school, so you should come only in neat uniform. Tie your plaits up, put on neat socks and shoes. Then what does mommy do? She'll take you to the dining table. Come on, she'll say, come on my girl, have your breakfast. What is breakfast? The first meal of the day is called breakfast. First meal, that is in the morning at 7:30, 7 o'clock. Poor mommy, she gets up at 5 o'clock, no? Why? Because she has to cook for you, for your sister, for your brother, and for your father, for your grandparents, especially for you. Because you leave home by 7:30 or 8 o'clock, you have to run to school, no? Your auto man comes up by 8 o'clock, so you have to go to school. Then mommy says, come my girl, I'll give you your breakfast. What does she give you for breakfast? Yes, she gives you idli. Idli and chutney. Idli and sambar. Dosa. She gives you dosa and curry. Dosa and sambar. She gives you gare with chutney. Puri with curry. Then chapati with curry. Upma, yes, with some chutney or little sugar she puts around, or little jam or something like that. Then sometimes you ask, no, mommy, I'm fed up of eating all this, mommy, I don't want. What do you want, my darling? Mommy, I want bread and jam, mommy. Okay. Then mommy goes, she brings 4 or 5 slices of bread and she puts cream over it, or jam over it, or butter over it, or cheese over it, and then she feeds you. Come on, eat my girl, one more. She gives you. Okay. Then what does she give you? She sends you off to school, huh? No. She gives you 1 glass of thick milk. Milk with Complan, milk with Bonvita, milk with Boost. Secret of my energy. Boost is the secret of my energy. So Boost, when you drink all this, you get lots of energy, Shakti into your body. Then you can carry a full bag, putting it at the back. You can run to school, you can walk to school, you can run inside the school, go for games, play games in the interval. So all this. So this is the afternoon. This is the morning. When do you have breakfast? Breakfast in the yes, morning. Okay. Then second one, what do you have second? What's the second meal of the day? At what time? Evening after going to school. After going home. Huh? No. Mommy is very particular about you. She loves you so much. Afternoon she packs up your lunch. When is this? Afternoon she packs up one lunch. Isn't it? 4 boxes. 1 box curry. 1 box. Then what? sambar. Another box, curd rice. And another box on top, she might give you some fruits or something to eat in the second short interval. So this afternoon lunch is what? Rice, curry, sambar, curd rice. All this is called lunch. At what time do you have lunch? When you come to school, at what time do you have lunch? The lunch bell goes at 12 o'clock till 12:40. That is 40 minutes you got to eat in the afternoon. You can leisurely eat 40 minutes of your lunch. But I tell you girls, no wasting your food. God will be angry with you. Understand? Because mommy is getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning and cooking food for you. Because you should not suffer after coming to school. Na? So mommy cooks food in the morning. So bring only how much you can eat. Tell mommy, don't put such a lot, mommy. Then mommy will listen the food. She'll give you only this much of food. This much of curry rice, this much of sambar rice, this much of curd rice. And you should eat all the food that your mommy packs for you. Isn't it? No wasting your food. Wasting food is something very, very bad. Your teachers don't like you to waste food. Your parents don't like you to waste food. Even God is saying, no? Even God also does not want you to waste food. So you bring little and eat the full food that you bring it. Then, okay, lunch is over. Lunch at what time? 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, 12:40 the bell rings. Ding, 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 ding. Then you all run back to class. You all run back to your class. Then again, at 2 o'clock again one short bell for you. That is only to go to the washroom and drink water and come back. Then you go home. At 4 o'clock, 4:30, you go home. What does mommy do? Yes, you leave your shoes. You leave your socks. You throw your bag. You throw your lunch basket. Oh, mommy has to collect all that and put it in one place. You are all Maharanis, no? Okay, then mommy says, go my girl, wash your hands and legs and come. I'll give you some snacks to eat. She makes some pakodi for you. Then she makes a little bit of upma or else biscuits. And then one glass of juice she gives you. Why? Because you should not become weak like this. You should always be strong and healthy and study, get good marks, become first in the class, be the class leader. Huh? Yes. So she gives you snacks at 4 o'clock. Then after that, she gives you a good bath. She washes your body nicely and gives you good clothes, combs your hair and all. Come on, my girl, sit and do your homework. Did your miss give you homework? Yes, mommy. Miss gave us a lot of homework. Lot of homework for you to learn, isn't it? So, mommy says, come on, I too will sit with you. We both will do the homework together. She will help you to do your sums. She will help you in learning, in writing, everything. Then it becomes night, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8:30. Then what does mommy say? Come on, my girl, you got very tired, no? You got very tired. Now, come have your dinner. Have your dinner and go to bed. Early to bed and early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. So go to bed early by 8:30, 9 o'clock. Get up in the morning at 6 o'clock or 6:30. So the last meal of the day is the dinner. That is the last meal. When do you have it? At night. Morning, breakfast. Afternoon, lunch. Dinner, night. Now you understood? These are called the 3 meals of the day. 3 meals of the day. Okay? And then another important thing I'll tell you. Only eating food and drinking milk and drinking juice and all. Huh? What else you bring in your water bottle? Yes. Mommy. One thing mommy likes is so much. So she takes water, boils it, cools it and filters it and she puts it in your water bottles. What do you come? You come to school to waste your water. Even wasting water also is not good. Like how you should not waste food, so also you should not waste water. And then water is also very, very important for the body. Without water in the body, no, you don't look nice, you don't look good, you don't look active, your food in the stomach doesn't get digested, you don't get energy properly. So you should drink, what is this? WATER, water. Yes, lots of water. At least, like you say, I tell you, 6 to 8. Understand? At least 6 glasses. 1 glass, 2 glasses, 3, 4, 5, 6. On summer season when it is very, very hot and you have half day schools, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 glasses of water. How does water help the body? Tell me. Yes, water is also, as food is important, as fruits are important, vegetables are important, chicken, mutton, fish, eggs, all these are important. Breakfast is important, your lunch is important, your dinner is important, and so also water is equally important. Don't say, just water. I don't have to drink water. No, 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 no. Your body needs water. How many glasses a day? At least 6 glasses, minimum. Morning 1 glass, interval 2 glasses, lunchtime 2 glasses, second interval 1 glass, after going home 2-3 glasses, at least 6 glasses or 8 glasses or 9 glasses of water also is good for the body. Why? Why should we drink water? Tell me. Because our body needs water. You see some animals, no, they go to the riverside, to the river banks and all, they drink water. Elephants, lions, they show you on the Geographical Channel. They drink water. Why? Because they too need water for the body. Likewise, we also, not only small children, big people, old people, I need water, you need water, all of us need water. So, water is also very, very important for the body. And water helps to digest the food we eat. You eat food in the morning. That is called what? Breakfast. After breakfast, you drink 1 glass of water. Then a glass of milk. Okay. Then in the interval, at 10:30, short interval. Then what happens? Short interval again, you drink 2-3 glasses of water. Lunchtime, you have your food and you drink water. Second interval, water. After the bell, water. So water, water, water. So I tell you, along with the food, that is breakfast, lunch, dinner, you also need water for the body. Is that clear, girls? Okay. Today I shall stop the lesson with water, and tomorrow I will tell you what are the good food eating habits.